This is a Christmas calendar I just made for my secret sister. I am so proud of it too. I've been seeing lots of videos on YouTube about making custom advent calendars. So all of this I got at Hobby Lobby. These are stickers. This is all the paper that you get for like 50% off, 60% off. This is washi tape, which did not work so well on this huge cardboard gift paper. So I ended up having to put a little bit more glue, and it's still kind of coming off. But I think it's really cute. I would have designed that too, but that paper can get expensive. So I think that's gorgeous. Okay, this is my favorite part right here. This is from Amazon. These were $7.99 for 50 boxes, and it come with these little tags and some extra string and stuff, but I didn't use it for its purpose. I used it for this. So I used 25 of the bags to get little chocolates. This one here, I super glued these. And then every box has a different type of candy in it. And so every day she'll open it and see what's in. Now, I have not filled all the boxes just yet. There's about 6 that are empty still, but everything is pretty much paper to make this. Paper, scissors, glue, and my husband just bought me a cutting board to make straight lines, because these little box pieces here, I did not use a straight edge. I just, by the eye, I cut them. I love this. That's a sticker from Hobby Lobby. This is the paper, and then that's just regular cardstock. My favorite part, well, my first favorite part was this little music notes in the back there. Oh, I loved it. It only goes halfway, but this is absolutely adorable. And then I bought Dollar Tree this little light. It's so cute. Look at that. Now, I got this from a YouTube video, and I just thought it was such a nifty idea, so I used it. Hers was so much better than this, but I think I did something different as well, and I hope this inspires somebody, because there's so many ideas I got while I was doing this. There's another advent calendar, and I'd like to make it. It's where it's a book, and you use, I don't know, foam board or some kind of another type of really heavy-duty cardboard, and you create little vertical boxes instead, and they close into a book and a ribbon. I just found that so cute. So it's a little hard to close that one. Okay. Isn't this adorable, though? Look at that. Everything just I just cut out pieces of cardstock and just created this. Stickers, Hobby Lobby again. I would say, yeah, it's about 30 bucks I spent just to make this, because those papers, I mean, in order to wrap the whole back and everything, a piece of cardstock, if it's not on sale, is about $2. So at the time, yes, there was some of the cardstock I bought that was only 60 cents, but a lot of them were $2. So you have to go when they're 60% off. You save so much. Now, this doesn't go all the way to the back or that. It's just a little strip. This box was not complete. This cardboard. It was not complete when I had it first. I was like, something needs to be added. So this is cute, because you could get custom-made ones. I mean, Hobby Lobby actually has their own, not naked like this, plain. It's wrapped. But I just wanted to be different and try it out myself. This right here was that color, but I just used some washi tape right here that goes like about that much, and I wrapped it. Everything was custom made on this except the whole box. But it's absolutely adorable.